Guys, welcome to my video, and I am talking with a human in India, and I am sharing with experience on you. So please like this video and start video now for learning English speaking with physical and very nice special for you, and you have a I am give you a gift for English speaking. So hello everyone, we are learning English with Human and start calling and enjoy with English speaking. Okay, so I am so starting. Hello,
Hello,
how are you, bro?
I am good, bro. How are you?
I am fine. What are you doing, bro?
I do study.
Oh, how study in which class?
Uh, I am not in any class. I have done my BTech in mechanical and now I am preparing for government exams.
Oh, you are preparing for government exam. Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, what are you looking job? How many? Which which job you are looking?
I am looking for state government civil service job as a officer.
Oh, nice, bro. Great job. And how old are you, bro?
I am 25 years old.
Oh, nice. You are old, 25 years old.
Yes.
Oh, nice. What about you, bro?
Uh, I did not understand what you mean to say. Please ask again.
What about you?
What about me? I am talking from. My name is Bittu. I am talking from Pune, Maharashtra, and preparing for exams.
Oh, nice. I am from Uttar Pradesh and I am studying in class 12th with a science subject.
Okay.
Uh, your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby is listening to music, 90s Bollywood songs.
Oh,
Favorite
nice.
hobby.
Your hobbies is very nice.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies is business and mm, learning and playing football.
Oh wow, very nice.
Yes.
And which place you are talking from in Uttar Pradesh?
I am from Bareilly and talking with you. Okay,
Bareilly
bro.
is very famous.